Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is very special for those who love handmade things and cozy handmade home decor. In this video, I am sharing some beautiful, useful and handmade crochet items for the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of every home, and when we decorate it with handmade crochet items, it feels more warm, clean and welcoming. Kitchen items are not just for decoration, they are also very practical and helpful in daily life. Let's start with crochet dishcloths and scrubbers. These are soft, reusable, and eco friendly. They are perfect for washing dishes without scratching, and they also help reduce plastic waste. You can easily wash them and use them again and again. Next, you can see crochet pot holders and hot pads. These are very important for kitchen safety. They protect your hand from hot pots, pans, and trays. At the same time, they add a colorful and stylish touch to your kitchen counter. Now, let's talk about crochet coasters and table mats. These items help keep your dining table clean and protect it from stains and heat marks. They also make tea time and family meals look more organized and elegant. Here we have crochet fridge handle covers and towel holders. These small crochet items are often ignored, but they make a big difference. They help keep the fridge handle clean and add a neat handmade look to your kitchen. Another very useful item is crochet jar covers and basket covers. You can use them for bread, fruits, onions, or kitchen accessories. They help keep things in place and make storage look beautiful. These are perfect for small kitchen. They help save space and keep daily use items within easy reach. One of the best thing about crochet kitchen items is that they are handmade with love. They are easy to wash, long lasting and can be customized in any color or design. They are also great idea for gifting or starting a small handmade business from home. If you love handmade decor and want a cozy organized kitchen, crochet items are the perfect choice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and motivate me to bring more creative ideas. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.